Greetings, future scholars of America. Mr. Barfield here with another round of grammar videos. As promised, this video will focus on three different types of clauses: adjective, adverb, and noun. There's a lot of info in this one, so make sure you get it all. Feel free to pause, rewind, or stop and fast forward the video anytime you want. Okay, for starters, let's talk about adjective clauses. An adjective clause is a subordinate clause that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun in the main clause of a complex sentence. It's usually introduced by a relative pronoun, such as that, who, whose, what, which, whom, whoever. Here's an example. Some deep-sea divers prefer equipment that is lightweight. Can you identify the adjective clause? Hope so. Now, an adverb clause is a subordinate clause. Remember, subordinate can't stand on its own, but has a subject and predicate. That often modifies or describes the verb in the main clause of a complex sentence. They tell how, when, where, why, or under what conditions the action occurs. So very much like just an ordinary adverb. Usually introduced by a subordinating conjunction, such as after, before, though, since, etc. Here's an example. After he attended gym class, Owen ran to drama. The subject, the predicate, and not a complete sentence, or not a complete thought. And it modifies ran. All right, noun clause. Subordinate clause used as a noun. For example, whoever plays ice hockey must skate well. They replace the subject of a sentence. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can use noun clauses in the same way that you would use any noun. You can use them as a subject, like this one. You can use them as a direct object, an object of a preposition, or a predicate noun. Let's look at the examples. Players know that the game can be dangerous. In that instance, the noun clause functions as a direct object. Victory goes to whoever makes more goals. It's an object of a preposition. Or the rink is where the teams will play. That functions as a predicate noun. Now remember, there's a difference between a clause and a phrase. A clause has a subject and a verb that are in agreement, whereas a phrase is a group of words lacking a predicate. Let's look at this sentence to exemplify the difference between a noun or a clause and a phrase. Now, this is a clause right here, but if I changed it to after gym class and I took out this part, then it wouldn't be a clause, it would be a phrase. All right, thank you for watching this round of grammar videos by Mr. Barfield. Tune in next time, scholars.